How to create blog on Facebook. In this video, I will show you how to create a blog on Facebook and earn money using your Facebook page, all from your Android phone. Already have a page? Great. If not, here is how to make one real quick. Open the Facebook app, tap the three lines, tap Pages, then tap Create. Choose a name, category like personal blog and profile picture and cover, and boom, your blog page is ready. Now go to your page and tap Create Post. This is your blog post area. Write helpful, inspiring or fun content here regularly. Add value. Tips, stories, tutorials, opinions, etc. Anything your audience will love. Add images or reels to make it engaging. Use hashtags to grow reach. Hit post and you have started blogging. Now to the good part, monetization. To earn money from your Facebook blog, build up your page first. Post regularly, get good engagement. Once you grow, you can apply for Insta ads, subscription, brand deals or affiliate links. Go to Meta Business Suite, then monetization to check eligibility. And that's how you start a blog on Facebook and move to earning from it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.